Good morning, children. In lesson 5 decimal, let us continue that exercise 5.1. We have completed question number 1 and 2. Today we will see question number 3. Here, write decimal for each of the following. It is given in words, okay, and in expanded form you have to write in the decimal form. Already I told you, suppose any digit is there like this, it is whole number, it is fractional part. It is whole part and it is fractional part. And when you will write this number, you will write 20 plus 6 in expanded form. And when you will write this number 2 by 10, then 3 by 100, then 5 by 1000. Like this we have written, and this number we have to convert into decimal like this and decimal to expanded form like this. Here this tens we will read like tens, and this 100 we will read hundreds, and this 1000 we will read thousand. So where it is given tens, hundreds and thousand, you will write 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. Okay, so look here, then you will understood clearly. Number 1, here 6 ones, that means 6 into 1 plus 6 tens. Tens means 1 by 10. Okay, next is 2 hundreds, means 2 into 1 by 100. Then 3 thousands, 3 into 1 by 1000. Understood? It is clear? Ones, tens 1 by 10, hundreds means 1 by 100, thousands means 1 by 1000. Now when you will multiply it, 6 1 is 6, plus here 6 1 is 6 by 10, plus 2 by 100, plus 3 by 1000. So here this is the whole part, so you will write 6, then put decimal, and these are in the fractional part, so you will write first this 6, then 2, then 3. So it is the decimal form. Understood? Now next, question number 2. That is 8 hundreds plus 3 ones plus 4 tens plus 2 thousands. Okay, here 800, that means 8 into 100. Next is 3 ones, that means 3 into 1, plus 4 tens, 4 into 1 by 10. Then 2 thousands, 2 into 1 by 1000. Clear? Now multiply it. 8 into 100 is 800, plus 3 into 1 3, plus 4 by 10 it is, then 2 1 ja 2 by 1000. Okay? Now 100 plus 18, 800 plus 3, how much it is? 803, then point 4 by 10. So 4 will write here. Systematically after 10 100 will come, but 100 is not given here. So one step what you can do, here you can write 0 by 100. Okay, then you can write 2 by 1000, because 0 by 100 is 0, so you will put here 0, then 2 by 1000 it is 2. So this is the answer. It is a decimal form. Similarly, we will see one more example. One more question we will solve, then you will understood. That is question number 3. 8 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 4 ones plus 8 thousands. Okay, here 8 hundreds, that means 8 into 100, plus 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 into 10, plus 4 ones, 4 into 1. Children, look here, 8 thousands, that means tens and hundreds is not given here. So here 8 into 1000. Okay, so what you will do here, 8 into 100 is 800, 10 to the 20 plus 4 plus 8 by 1000. So when you will add 800 plus 20 plus 4, it is the whole part, so you will add it, you will get 824. And what is the fractional part? It is a fractional part, but we know that 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, then 1 by 1000. So here 10 and 100 is not given. So what you will do? Here not given, that means it is definitely it will be 0 by 10 and 0 by 100. So what you will do? For this number you will put 2 0 for tens and 100. And it is given 8 by 1000, so 8 will come here. It is the answer. Understood? Which number will not given here? You will understood that 0 by 10 maybe it will be there and 0 by 100 will be there. So you will put in this place. Which place is not given? You will put 0. Understood? Similarly, question number 4, that is 2 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 9 hundreds plus 5 thousands. Here 200 means 2 into hundreds plus 5 into tens means 5 into 10 plus 9 into hundreds, 1 by 100. Here you will see 1 by 10 is not given. Then 5 into 1 by 1000. Clear? So here 2 into 100, 200 plus 50, it is 9 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So 250 is 250 point. Here 10 is not given. What is systematic? 10, 100, tens, 100, then thousands. Tens is not given, so you will put 0, 100, you will put 9 and then 5. It is given here. So it is the answer. Understood? So next question you will do, that is your question number 5 and 6. It will be homework. Now next we will see question number 4. Many questions we have solved. We will try to do 5 and 6. That is question number 4. Ready? Now convert the following in lowest term as a mixed fraction. Question number 1 is 13.72. Here I will solve. It is your first method. Okay. Here in first method, first we will remove this decimal. When you will remove this decimal, here in the denominator, after decimal 2 digits are there, so you will put 2 0. That means 100 you will write. Understood? After removing the decimal, after decimal 2 digits are there, so you will put 2 0. So 1372 by 100. Now here you know about the divisibility of 2. Both are even number, that 0 and 2. So it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0. When you will divide it by 2, 1372. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 6s are 12. What will come? 686. Again it is even number and it is also divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. What will 343 by 25? Now it is not divisible by the same number. So what you will do? You will convert this number into a mixed fraction. When you will divide this number, 25 to the 50, it is more than, so 25 1 ja 25. 14 minus 5, 9. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Next is 3. 25 4 ja 100. So 3 times you will take. 25 3 ja 75. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So it is quotient, it is remainder and it is divisor. So when you will write in the mixed fraction, first we will write quotient, then remainder here and divisor will be here. That means 13 will come first, then this remainder and this divisor. So your answer is 13 18 by 25. This is the answer. Understood? Now second method. In second method what you will do? Question is same, 13.72. First you will write this 13. It is a whole number. So you will write it first and put plus sign and then you will write 72. You know that it is 72 hundredths. So after decimal 2 digits means 100 I told you. Now you will cancel it. Both are even number. So it is divisible by 2. 2 5 is 10. 0. 2 3 is 6. 2 6 is 12. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 2 is 4. 2 5 is 10. Now it is even number. It is odd number. It is not cancelled by any same number. So what is the answer? 13. And this 18. And this is 25. This is the answer. Now you will see both the answer is same. Understood? Which method you will feel easy, you can try. Understood? It is first method and it is second method. Understood? This method is also called the short method. Now one more question we will solve, that is 94.07. Here we are using first method. Okay, when you will remove this point, 2 digit is there, so 100 will come. So 9407 divided by 100. See children, it is odd number and it is even number. So it is not divisible by any number. By the same number it is not divisible. So what you will do, you will divide and convert into mixed fraction. Okay. So when you will read the 100 table, 100 9 ja 900. We will take 3 digits because 2 digit is smaller than 100. So we will take 3 digits. So 900. After subtracting we will get 40. This 7 will come. 100 4 ja 400. Then this 7 will come. It is not divisible. So what will come? It is your quotient. It is remainder. It is divisor. So 94 7 by 100. This is the answer. Understood? So we have completed this question. Now one more question is 3 number. Then rest of the question you will try to do. 2.253. When you will remove this digit, this decimal, so here 3 digits are there, so you will put 30. Okay, 1000 will come. Okay, so 200, 2253 divided by 1000. Now you will see here, it is even, it is odd. So it is not divisible by the same number. So again you will divide and convert into the mixed fraction. 2 times 2000. Okay. Now what will come? 253 by 1000. This is the mixed fraction. Understood? So rest of the question you will try to do, that is 4 to question number 4 to 15. It will be your